Hey Google, play my GM playlist. Hey Google, turn up to volume 6. Welcome back. Hopefully there's not too much street noise. It's busy out there. We're doing a self-care reset day. I haven't done one of these in a second. Yeah, I've been going through transitions, obviously, and I'm thinking if I would highly benefit from just doing some nice things for myself today and getting organized and also doing some nice skincare. Maybe I'll take a bath for the first time since I moved, read a book, make some good food. Maybe I'll have some other things up my sleeve. You'll have to watch to find out. If you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead. I won't stop you. And yeah, I think this will be a nice little day together. Cheers. After therapy, or whenever, in the mornings, I feel like I have puffy face a lot. I put on a serum and then I just wash out my face. It feels so good. I'm almost addicted to it now. Like if I don't do it, I can feel that I don't do it, and then all I can think about is how good it'll feel to do it. Yeah, it just feels really nice. So whenever I'm sitting and watching YouTube videos, I just do this to my face and it feels really good. And it's kind of dry now, but yeah. Gonna sit here, watch some YouTube videos, write down some ideas, and do this with me. Okay, let's do a little skincare. Today's video is sponsored by Tula. So happy to be working with them again. Tula is a really cool skincare and wellness brand that has probiotics in 100% of their products. It was founded by a gastroenterologist. She saw firsthand how probiotics were helping a lot of her patients, so she decided to incorporate them into a skincare line so that's topical instead of maybe digesting them how we usually maybe associate getting probiotics, and having it within skincare helps create a healthy microbiome on your face, which honestly is just incredible. I definitely can feel like how much healthier and just like overall smooth my skin feels when I'm using their products. I've been using them for a while since we worked together last year, but I thought I would call out a few that I've been loving. Their Get Toned Pro-glycolic 10% Resurfacing Toner. This has been amazing. I've been incorporating this back in, really feeling like it's evening out my skin and helping tighten my pores a little bit, and I always gravitate towards their moisturizers. And all their products that I tried have just been 100% amazing. So the whole product mission is just creating health for your skin and actually putting healthy, good ingredients that are also gonna benefit, like long-term health, creating a healthy microbiome on your skin. I just am a huge fan of Tula. I think they make great products. If you guys want to check them out, you can go to tula.com and use the code WHEREILIVE to get 15% off of your order. So I'm gonna do my skincare, get glowing, get fresh. Okay, I'm feeling fresh, I'm feeling clean, I'm feeling sad because it's so gloomy out. I guess I'll make something to eat now. I used to make this all the time with eggs and beans, and that was my breakfast. Like every single morning was just scrambled eggs and black beans. So freaking good, and I forgot that I used to do that until like a week ago, and this is really good, especially with like onions, mushrooms, so quick to just cut up really quick, but really elevates the breakfast. And this tastes like it took me a long time to make, but it didn't. It took 10 minutes. Okay guys, okay, so I painted my nails. Now I don't know what to do with myself, but maybe I'll journal a little bit or something. I already got fuzz all over me. But something exciting that I signed up for this morning is this app for, I don't know if they do it anywhere else, but it's in New York. It's called Too Good To Go. And basically you buy like day olds from bakeries and bagel shops, and I think there's some restaurants on here too, and basically you pay like, I paid like $4.99, and they're gonna give me a whole bag of day old vegan pastries and like breads and stuff. So I have to go pick that up between 5:30 and 6, so I thought that would be a fun way to get out of the house, but it's just trying to get like minimize food waste, which I think is really cool. So we'll go on a walk later. Maybe we'll watch something really fun tonight. I'm gonna cook a good dinner, and I'm feeling mostly good. The weather today is definitely hard to feel good, but otherwise we're doing good, people. vlogging kind of died out there last night. I'm sorry, guys. I ended up getting all of these pastries, which I'm gonna show you. Okay, but let me show you. I went on a nice walk to a vegan bakery near me and got so much stuff. I'm just gonna show you a few selects. Cinnamon roll with like walnuts all over. And this is actually one of, yeah, it's almost gone, the best things I've ever had. Cheddar and jalapeno scone with a vegan mozzarella in the middle. So much stuff. I paid $4.99 for this. If you guys are in New York, you literally have to try this out. What a cool app. Hi from the floor. Yesterday was super nice. I painted my nails, I took a long shower, I did a nice workout, I watched like a really good show last night. The dinner I made was delicious. I'm still just feeling a little bit off, but my moods have definitely just been in fluctuation a little bit the past few days or week or two maybe, which is so normal to have days or weeks or months that you're just like not feeling it or just a little up and down, and that's completely okay too. And maybe that's the whole point of this video, is that you can do nice things for yourself and still just not be 100% back to normal yet, or back to where you'd like to be at, and just keep on keeping on. But I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope it gave you a little inspo to have a nice day for yourself, or just put it on in the background while you do the same things and we can do them together, or whatever. If you want to check out Tula, again, you can go to tula.com, use the code where I live to get 15% off your order. And otherwise, I'm gonna see you so very soon in my next video.